Hi there, it's Lilia from Lily's Art Channel. I got some great news and I really wanted to share with you guys, so this is why I made this vlog. I got booked for my very first own face painting job. Yay! I'm so happy and so thankful and so excited about this job, and I wanted to share with you how I got it. I have been working for two lovely professional face painters for 4 years now, and I really enjoyed it. And I recently started to dream about what it would be like to have my own face painting business. So I looked up all information online. I watched literally every YouTube video about face painting, and I came up with so many brilliant ideas for my face painting business. But I hesitated to take the next step, which would be to write an ad and put myself out there. Someone told me, do it quickly. If you're quick, miracles will happen and you will gain what you have wished for. And that's exactly what I needed to hear. So I got the inspiration to order more material, everything I needed to get started. And then I took the next step. The most important step, I actually wrote an ad. I checked what other face painters wrote in their ads, and then I gathered some actually not so great pictures of my designs. But then I finally placed my ad in a forum. And you know what? It worked. One day later, a woman contacted me and told me that her daughter would turn 4 and she wanted a face painter to turn up as a surprise in the child's nursery. I made her an offer and she agreed. Yes! How cool is that? Being fast. This pertains to so many more things in my life. I clean my kitchen faster now. I contact people faster. I even decided to record this video now instead of dreaming about starting a vlog any longer. And I can tell you, if you do things fast, you get into some really uplifting mood. It's a real thrill. I feel powerful. I'm sure you have experienced that before, and if not, try it out now. If you have been dreaming about starting your face painting business, why not write an ad? Do whatever your next step should be to start your own face painting business. Or what other things? Do it now. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel, close YouTube, and do the first thing that comes to your mind. And then do the second thing that comes to your mind. And then do another thing. And keep riding on this wave of doing things fast. I wish you lots of success with your face painting business and everything else you want to achieve.